Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Shaka Demus and Pliers is Murder She Wrote, certified platinum in the United Kingdom. The British Phonographic Industry BPI recently announced the milestone, confirming that the song has surpassed 600,000 units in sales as tracked by the official charts company. This follows its gold certification in June of 2022 when it crossed the 400,000 mark. Released in 1992 and then reissued in late 1993, Murder She Wrote was featured on Shaka Demus and Pliers' 1993 album Tease Me, which reached number 27 on the UK singles chart in early 1994. And then spent 17 weeks on the US Billboard Hot 100, peaking at number 57. Now, on the international scene, music mogul Sean Diddy Combs faces 5 new lawsuits. They include 3 from male accusers who say they were drugged and sodomized, and 2 from females who say they were assaulted at ages 17 and 18. Most of the new plaintiffs allege the incidents happened at parties Combs hosted between 2001 and 2022. The latest filings bring the total complaints against Combs to more than 30. He denies all assault accusations against him. In a separate lawsuit, an anonymous celebrity claims an attorney representing Diddy's alleged victims tried to extort him for information on Diddy. Now, still on the music mogul, a judge in his case has ruled that prosecutors cannot use personal notes and materials obtained from his cell during an upcoming bail hearing. Attorneys for Combs say the notes include privileged material about defense witnesses and strategy. Prosecutors have said the notes were seized during a pre-planned sweep of Bureau of Prison facilities. They claimed in a court filing last week that based in part on the notes seized, Combs was attempting to influence witnesses ahead of his trial. The judge ordered prosecutors to delete their copies of the notes until a ruling is made on whether the materials can be used in the case. Combs has a bail hearing scheduled for Friday as his lawyers try for the 3rd time to get him released on bond. Liam Payne laid to rest. On Wednesday, mourners gathered to remember the British singer Liam Payne. Close family and Payne's former One Direction band members attended the funeral outside of London. Payne died October 16 at the age of 31. According to reports, the singer fell from the 3rd floor of a hotel in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The country's public prosecutor's office said Payne had alcohol, cocaine, and a prescription antidepressant in his system. 3 people are facing charges in connection with his death. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.